Hello, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Kaji Fawaz Ahmed from designerdollar. I hope you are doing well. After a long time, I have come in front of you, and today I will teach you that how you can create the 3D illustration model for yourself. How you would able to swap your face within the image. So let's go and find out the ultimate result. So this is our browser and it's called the Microsoft Edge browser. So first we need to go into the browser called Microsoft Edge, and then we have to search Bing Image Creator. As you can see, you I have already gone there. Now click on the Bing Image Creator, or you can write down here in the search bar Bing Image Creator, and then press enter. And after entering the searchable browser, you can go into the image creator from Microsoft Designer, then click on it, close the previous item. Okay, and now you can see this is my interface, and I have already generated some of the images for myself and for my friends. So you won't able to see this interface, or you will see the sign up module, or will see the sign up, uh, whatever you say, the login page of Microsoft Bing Creator. Then you should go with your sign up button and fill up the required information of yourself, of your Microsoft account. Then you will able to see this interface. Okay, now you have to jump this portion, and this is the prompt bar. You have to write down the prompt here, and I will definitely put the prompts that I have usually done before, and I will put it into the description on my YouTube video. But for now, let's see the prompt and then creations. And the creations panel is recent files of your designs, and you will able to see the recent designs of you that you have already created. And the explore ideas panel is which is the researchable item that the others people have usually done with the creations, and you can see from here. And again, one more thing it to be noted, that you can also click on this any of these images, and you can also copy the prompt from here. So this is the ultimate tip and tricks I am telling you, and it would be better for your future generation of prompts. Okay, so now if I go the creations panel, and let's come here, and this is I have generated some of the images, and then I swapped my faces with them. Okay, and let's copy it. Just copy it. You don't need to go here. Just click on the explore ideas, and now click on the prompt bar and then paste on it. And now you can see the prompt that I have created or I have generated before. Okay, let's go to the home, and now you can see the sections that the sentence is filled with: create a 3D illustration of an animated character of a handsome boy with beard sitting casually on top of a social media logo, YouTube. So you can write down here YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, whatever you want to see into the background of yourself. And again, I have beard on my face, and if you don't, so or you if you don't want to put the beard on your face, you can definitely just delete the portion of the beard. For now, I am not deleting the item. Okay, and the character must wear lungi. Okay, I don't want to see lungi. I just say uh, pant. Okay, for this, let's say jeans. Okay, jeans. The character must wear jeans. You can put here whatever you want, and the formal half sleeve shirt and sneakers. Beside of the character, the background is a mock-up of his Instagram profile page with the profile name Designer Dollar. Designer Dollar is definitely my the name of my YouTube channel and my Facebook page and Instagram ID. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so definitely it's owed to subscribe my channel named Designer Dollar, and please follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account's name is Designer Dollar, or you can write the Kaji Foiz Ahmed. Okay. If you are using the Facebook account of yourself, then definitely go the Facebook search bar and search Designer Dollar. Here you can see the sentences. You can write down into the search bar of Facebook, and then definitely it's owed to following my designer page, Designer Dollar page. Okay. And now you can also tweak this item that I have already written here. It's up to you totally. And again, I extended these words with the same sentences and attributions that call then a profile picture same as the character. Behance, Dribble, and Facebook app icons are shown behind the subject, slightly depth of field. Okay. If you don't want to put the feeling of depth of field, you can just ignore it, or just you can delete it. For now, I am not removing the item or the prompt. So yeah, now if I again just customize it, let's say I just want to put the WhatsApp here. WhatsApp character master jeans formal half sleeve shirt. Then I can see the I can write the jersey. Okay, and the sneakers. Okay, fine. Besides of the character background is a mock-up of his Instagram account. No, I don't want the Instagram account profile. I just want to the YouTube account, YouTube profile page, or YouTube channel page with the profile name Designer Dollar. Okay, fine. And a profile picture same as the character, Behance, Dribble, and Facebook apps icon. Okay, I don't need the Behance and Dribble. I just want the Instagram. Okay, and Twitter and Facebook app icons are shown behind the subject, slightly depth of field. Okay, are shown behind the subject. Just let it be done. And now if I just click on the create, and then you are good to go. It would take some time to generate the item from the prompts that you have already written. And here you can see the boosted icons or boosted coins that I have left only the 14. After generating 14 times of your images, you would say that there is just slightly zero. You don't need to be worried. It is using for just shorten the time. That's it. And now you can see my images are shown here. Designer Dollar. Then I can take these items or take these images into the Photoshop and then swapped easily. Just go to the Photoshop and then place the your icon images. You need to place your image or your face of these images, and then just mask out the faces. Okay, that's it. So I hope this video will help you a lot to create this kind of 3D illustration images. That's it. I'm requesting you to follow my page, my Instagram, and again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.